Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk about partnership ads. Why it's nowadays a must to use them. So doing partnership ads is not so difficult. We're going to go into my PC and I'm going to show you how it's working. And I'm not going to show you results and stuff. I'm just going to show you the buttons and what you need to click and how it's working. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward and pretty easy to do. And the reason that I'm saying that you should use it is because I have seen that they're working. I have seen that Meta is also boosting it in terms of results, and I have seen again and again and again other accounts and other people talk about it, and not a lot of people actually utilizing this. So let's go into my PC. Let me show you the setting along with some other things, some documentation from Meta and some notes about how you can utilize them, and we will take it from there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more, so I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So partnership ads, you're going to find this on the ad level. It's going to be over here. Sorry for all the blurry things and stuff. I have to protect my client. Over here it's going to be on, and basically that means that you're going to run an ad and it's going to look like Konstantinos Dulieridis with Market Productions, for example, okay, if the brand is that name, and it's going to appear on the top. Some things about it. First of all, I think it's good if you put first the creator name instead of the brand. It looks better. Second thing that I need to mention is that you can either add them inside your collaboration center or you can just create the ad and it's just going to send them a notification that they will have to accept, or it's going to appear somewhere around here, a message that will say copy link, so that you can give them immediately a link that they can accept this request. Another thing is that you can change positions to those over here that you cannot see sadly, and you can have first the brand, second the name of the influencer. The last thing that I want to say is that it doesn't have to be necessarily a post ID. You can just go and you can do your normal ad, adding your picture, your video, your copy and all of that, and just do it. You can do it with any Instagram profile from the list. You can even invite Kim Kardashian to actually read, but she's not going to accept.
I'm not sure I'm interested in that. No, I am sure. I am not interested in that.
But you can use it also with post IDs. It's up to you, okay? But just keep in mind that it doesn't have to be just a post which is posted on the influencer page. This is why it's good, because they don't have to keep the post inside their page, or it doesn't have to be inside your page. It can be completely different ads. They're working pretty well, and now let's go to some things that I have gathered to discuss about this. So first we have this coming from Meta, saying that partnership ads are the best way to drive performance with creators across Meta technologies. Of course, Meta is boosting this. Partnership ads allow you to run ads with a creator's handle to scale your partnerships. Mixing partnership ads into always on strategies drives better results. 50% higher click-through rate, 99% profitability, whatever. Use signals from both creator and brand handles for stronger ranking and performance. I believe that what they mean by that is that it's going to use also you're not having access to the audience of the influencer. This is not the case. You cannot do a custom audience of their engaged audience. But by running the ad, most likely it's going to show it also to his followers and the people engaging with him, which makes sense. Okay, now another thing is this. Meta is favoring partnership ads. Whitelisting ads are crushing it in other accounts right now. They are doing really well for me also. It makes sense. Meta have openly come out and said they are pushing them in 2025. You can start simple with founder ads. So even if you're not having influencers and it's difficult for you to find, shouldn't be that difficult even to find micro influencers. Even if you have a problem, you can always use your Instagram as a founder and you can do a collaboration. And the founder doesn't need an existing presence. He's talking about lying about it and having a fake Instagram profile. For instance, you can do, for example, a drop shipping brand about the product and then just put a random actor that you're going to find to pretend like as if he's the founder and he's going to explain the quality of the product and all of that. I'm seeing people create completely new identities with zero following and finding success just by running through different Instagram accounts. I have seen that also and I have done it. The progression is founder ads, expert partnerships, creator collaborations, larger influencer partnerships. I audited a major brand recently and all the top spenders were whitelist celebrity partnerships. Nothing else came close. And I totally agree with that. I have another account which is spending between 4 and 6 million every month. And I can tell you that the reason that we are able to scale and spend that much is partnership ads. After some point, it's impossible for you to scale just by doing good creatives and stuff. You need the credibility of the influencers and all of that, and a good ad account, of course, in order for you to be able to make it to the higher spends. So all of the big ad accounts that I have seen to really high spends, like more than 2 million per month spend, there are ad accounts that are utilizing the influencers and the extra boost that they get out of them. Starting using them, I think you are going to be compensated, and I will see you with more details about them for the closing of the video. So that's all you need to know about the partnership ads. Don't forget that there are some people that they just create fake Instagram profiles with zero followers and they just do it and the ads do a little bit better. It's not about how many followers someone has. It's also about the way that it's looking. It's looking more credible, like someone is endorsing this product. So it's not like everyone's going to click to see if the person over there has a lot of followers or not. It's like me yesterday, for example. Of course, this example is not the same, but yesterday I was watching a video of someone skydiving through fireworks. And I said, okay, this is an AI video. And then I have seen below that it's from Red Bull. Okay, so I said, yeah, Red Bull could have done something like that. So it's not an AI thing. I need to research a little bit more because still I don't believe how it was looking like skydiving through fireworks. But anyway, the thing is that it looks a little bit more credible. People are not going to click to see how many followers someone has. And the other way that it's working with legit Instagram accounts that you're going to use and all of that is that initially it's going to start using the people from the following of the influencer and then expanding to the full reach. They're pretty good. Start using them. I told you also about the founder angle and all of that, or different things. I know, for example, a dropshipper that he's working on kitchenware and he has created a fake AI, which is very easy to do with food. Basically, a fake AI chef Instagram profile, and he's using that and he's doing partnership ads with that. So there are a lot of things that you can do. Start working with them because they're working really well. And don't forget, guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course, where all of these things and the secrets and the settings from beginner to super advanced level, even optimization videos, even chosen 5 sessions are inside a super updated course that I'm keep adding stuff to it. And for me and for many people apparently also on Trustpilot, it's the best meta ads course in the world. And we have also my mentorship program, which is completely full right now because of the Q4, but talk to me and maybe we will find a solution for the future, or now I doubt it, but we will see. If you're having a good spend, talk to me and we will see. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.